What's up? We back. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to two-wheel drive lifts. I'm still not this one out though. Nah, I'm just joking. So, got some huge splendors. These boys is huge compared to factory. Show y'all the factory ones. Can't even see it. So, for those who don't know, this is the splendor. Connect here and to the bottom ball joint. You can't even see it compared to this one. It's like a huge difference. Come with some tubular upper control arms. Other than that, I don't know what none of this other stuff is. I know one of these drop bracket for the transfer case. But other than that, got the manual. That's all you need, man. Look, oh, I'm falling over. It even said for you. No fine print. So it literally tell you what to put where. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to show y'all how to do it as much as I can. So, got the torsion key tool. So it's a little notch up here, and the notch on the tool will line up with that. And then this driver has a point on it. Let me show y'all on the other side. So, see that groove right there? The point on the tool go in the same spot. Y'all can see. Once you do that, it's gonna push the torsion key up, and then this is what's holding the torsion key in. We'll see that over here. Yeah, this is holding the torsion key in. So the whole weight on the front of the truck, the weight on the front of the truck is being held in by this. So once you take this, once you loosen this bolt up, you can slide the key out the other way. I mean, you can slide the locking mechanism part out over here, and then you can loosen the torsion key tool. The key is gonna loosen up, and be able to get the torsion bar out. What you want to do from here is spray the keys like big time if they rusted. This one ain't out. These aren't all that rusted, but I'm still gonna wet them. Probably ain't rusted at all, but they not coming to loose easy. So what you're gonna do is bang on here and try to get the bar to slide that way. So I got my small hammer just in case. Don't give me too much problems. And then I'll get my big hammer, worst case scenario. So let's get the banging. Let me let this front down key out. So I got my punch, stuck it in this little hole, and hit the bar like this from the angle, because it's frame support right here. And I'm just gonna hit it till you see it moving. Once it start moving, it'll go pretty quick. But you can see torsion bar is wet, and that's what helped it move. But this one's being a pain. It's not moving at all. But a couple more taps, man, it should be moving. Then we'll be able to jump on the stuff in the front. Alright, so now that we got the torsion bars out, we got to move this bracket for it, torsion bar adjustment bracket. So it's gonna be 3 bolts each side, and then you're gonna tilt it that way and come out, because the new bar is going in, so the bars are gonna be lower. So let me go ahead and take them out and then cut it back on. All right, the adjustment bar is out. Took a little finagling, finessing to get it out. So you gotta take the top bracket off that mount everything down, and then you gotta take the bushing off. Other than that, I flipped it upside down, pushed one side over this way, the other side close this way, and then from here you have some clearance. Should drop down. But on to the next piece. Now the torsion bar slides straight back like such. Hold on. Now it'll look like that when it's ready to come out, like all the way through the hole. and you literally slide it all the way back till you drop out of there. I'll show y'all what it's gonna look like. Like that. Once you get it like that, you pull this side down. Hold on. So push this side over here and then this side down. And then it'll drop down, you'll be able to get it out. Alright, if your vehicle come with a skid plate like this, go ahead and remove it per the manual. I have the front area skid plate still, but I took it out of the way for engine diagnostic stuff. Alright, next, sway bar links. Gotta remove those. So it's a bolt at the top and it's a bolt at the bottom, and it's inside the lower control arm. You'll have to jack this up just so you could be able to get a socket or something, wrench on the bolt. So I'm about to go ahead and jack it up, make it like it's on the ground level, and then get the nuts and bolt out get the bolts out for those on both sides. Alright, once you stabilize the bar out, look something like this, and the bar's down there. And once you let it down, the lower control arm will be able to go farther down. So let me break this jack loose. Alright, check it out. So now, good. On to the next thing. Next, they say remove the shocks, keep the mounting hardware. So, alright, yeah, we don't have to do nothing special for this. So, let me find the socket sizes real quick. Look like 15s or 18s. But we're gonna zap them off. So, 1, 2, and then same thing on the bottom. So let's get them out. Alright, next step is to take the tie rod in at the spindle. But they call it a steering knuckle in the manual. So let me turn the slide off real quick. Alright, so it's good to use hand tools on this part, because hand tools, for you all who don't understand me, if you don't and you zap it and it started just spinning, you're gonna have to find a pickle fork, and or I just recently found this out. You can use a bottle jack or something like that to force that suspension part, which is the tie rod in this case, because we're on ball joints too. You have to force it all the way up and try to keep pressure on it while you loosen the bolt. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Sometimes it lift the whole car up and you will break the shaft. Yeah, sometimes it don't work and you'll break the whole end of the rod and you just have to go buy a new one. So it can all be avoided by using hand tools on this part, because yeah, it'll just make it a lot easier. So I'm about to go ahead and wrench it off. You might want to go slow too. I want to make sure it's not spinning. Yeah, it don't look like it. Yeah, it's not. See what I mean? If I would try to use an impact and it would have caught, the whole joint would spin, which is what I think it just did. Yep. Yeah, that's what it did. And that's what happened if you use impacts. It happened like real quick. So now I gotta try to use an impact to try to zap it off. If that don't work, you gotta put force all the way, a lot of force at the bottom, or a pickle fork to like try to separate it. But yeah, let me show y'all real quick and see if hopefully the impact works. didn't want to happen on this jack. I mean, it has to be on this joint. Like, you need all the pressure you can get. That's the only way it's gonna come out. Unless you get a pickle fork and you put it between two other joints and squeeze. But this is a much easier trick right here. The mosquitoes coming out, man. It's time for me to get ready to go. Still spinning. Need some more. That's all I got. Yep. We'll see what does it. I'll cut y'all on when I find out. Yep, she's spinning. So I got an old pickle fork too. I'm gonna try not to damage the grease holder. Hate when this happens. Alright, let me see what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna let y'all know. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take a whole 2x4, stick it upwards on it, try to get much pressure like that. Alright, let's see what we got. It looks like it's farther up in there. Yep. Alright, now we did that. Let's see if it just fall out. It never really does, but it can sometimes. Nah. It's in there. Now when you hitting this out, you hitting here. Don't hit the threads because you won't be able to get the nut back on. So you're hitting here. Boom. So I need to do that to the other side, and then we can work on these control arms. So these are gonna have to be chiseled out. It's usually a nut and bolt combo, but since these is original style, it's gonna be chiseled out, and then gonna have to get some more. So I'm gonna let the owner know tonight. All right, from here, you're gonna disconnect the ABS. So you got one bolt here, like a 10 mil, maybe even a 13. Yeah, it look like a 13. You can disconnect this. Got all your clips. I should have one more on the floor from this one. Yeah, I'm gonna disconnect with this one. So it looks like a 14, 13 or 14, 15, something like that. So yeah, might have to get some channel locks on this side. Hold it. So this what we're doing. This and the brake hose, and then we're gonna take the caliper off. But the brake pads still looking good. But all right, let me do that. All right, next brake pads. Brake caliper gotta come off. So eventually these old brake hoses gonna come off. So I'll show that later. So you got an Allen head. Not sure the size, but I should have every size in here somewhere, and I don't see it. Oh, there you go. All right, let's see. All right, 3/8 fit real good. I don't know if that's the size though. Let's get that off. All right, next they say remove the axle nut. So let me go get my axle, my deep socket axle nut. My axle nut deep sockets. They over here in my shop. Boom, they up here. Deep sockets. 30 36 fits on there, but it fits kind of loose. 35 don't fit on it at all, so we're gonna run with it. Hopefully we don't have any problems. Shouldn't take too much to get it out though. You want to make sure that you do not hit this part with a hammer. What you want to do is get a 2x4 and it'll knock it loose enough for you. Then you get WD-40 or whatever in there. But just break it loose with 2x4 or something. Hopefully not metal, because you don't want to damage these threads. You damage the threads, man, it's gonna be possible issue getting it back on. So yep, that was the next part. Now from here, I'm sure they're gonna say take the upper control arms out, but let's just check and see. Page 7. Say take the upper and lower ball joint nuts. Install the nuts. Dislocate the steering knuckle. So next we just getting the whole steering knuckle off. Gonna take this bolt out, loosen that up. Since I'm not using the factory ball joint again, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the upper control arms off and the one bolt at the bottom for the lower ball joint, and then take the whole thing off. I don't have to take the axle out unless it give me some problems, which I doubt, but that's where I'm going from now. Right, this part's pretty self-explanatory, man. I wasn't gonna show it, but somebody just may happen to not know how to do it. So hold one bolt, loosen the other, and when you get the nut off, you're gonna push the bolt out whichever way. So this one going that way and this one going this way. You stick this hose up, it's gonna keep dripping. It's gonna drip if I hold it up anyway. So get the spill kit under here. Right now. Alright, so lower ball joint bolt is out. Literally one bolt, size 27 I believe on this one. I just went on and zapped it, man. It's been working so good. I tried it on the other side. Like worst case scenario happened on the first one, so I just tried it on the other ones, and it's been working good. So I'm gonna keep with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna bang on here, knock that boy loose, and this whole thing will be ready. The whole steering assembly, I mean, I'm just gonna say what I like to say. The whole splinter will gonna drop, so just be prepared. This one ain't gonna drop out because I still got the drive shaft in it, but about to knock it out now.